Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about the amazing camera upgrades on the new iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max, and specifically, that impressive 5x optical zoom feature. Both the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max now come with Apple's new tetraprism lens system, which gives you up to 5x optical zoom. That's a nice jump from last year's iPhone 15 Pro, which only went up to 3x. This upgrade brings your shots much closer without losing clarity. The telephoto lens on these models also includes Apple's most advanced camera stabilization system yet. It uses a combination of optical image stabilization and an autofocus 3D sensor shift module, making your zoomed-in shot steadier and sharper than ever. When you're shooting with 5x zoom enabled, the iPhone 16 Pro's telephoto lens opens at an f2.8 aperture, which means it captures more light for clearer photos even in low light conditions. For comparison, the Galaxy S2 for Ultra's 10x lens has an f3.4 aperture, so the iPhone's wider aperture gives it an edge, especially in night mode photography. Using it is super simple. Just open the camera app, and at the bottom of the viewfinder, tap the 5x button to switch to optical zoom. Once you're in 5x mode, you can even pinch on the screen to go up to 25x digital zoom. But keep in mind that digital zoom can reduce image quality the further you go. And that's everything you need to know about the new 5x optical zoom on the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. Apple really stepped it up this year with better zoom, stabilization, and low light performance. If you're into photography or just love taking crisp, detailed shots, this upgrade is definitely worth checking out. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and tutorials.